Elite Draft Picks collegiate football cards from Panini America is next up on the docket, delivering 5 packs per box, 15 cards per pack, and 5 autographs per box on average. Unwrapped 40 draft picks, including parallels numbered to 99 or less per box on average. Look for hobby exclusive autograph inserts from college football legends. All right.
Well, let's see. And this is a fresh box. This isn't pre-opened, so we don't know. We could have something incredible. We could have some guys we're going to have to hold on to. I should have taken better notes 2 years ago. But I was looking back through some old pictures, and I forget the guy, but he's like one of the top secondary guys now for the Seahawks or something. And we gave away like a numbered to 5 auto of his from a product like this when nobody knew who he was and he was nobody. So you never know. Hold on to those things. Keep track of them. Create a spreadsheet.
Because the man people love to hate, Nick Saban.
Oh, hey, coach's cards. That's always
Deshaun
fun.
Watson. Die cut Troy Fumagalli, numbered to 99. An upside down card, yes, and it is an auto of Micah Kaiser.
Ooh, auto.
Sam Darnold and Clay Helton, college ties. Deontay Burnett, Dante Pettis, Mason Rudolph, Josh Allen, Ronnie Harrison, Sam Hubbard.
Now, if you like this product,
Quadri.
Be sure to tune in to social media in 2 weeks for the Panini NFLPA Rookie Premiere, where they'll have a bunch of these guys here in Los Angeles opening boxes of this stuff with breakers, and it's always really fun to see the players opening and trying to hit their own cards. And if you buy into some of those breaks that the breakers have there, you always have a chance of you get a team.
Oh,
and
boom! Chase Litton, numbered to 99.
There we go.
We'll give that one away.
Is he good?
Yeah. Josh Rosen, chain reaction insert. Sorry, Ivan, go ahead.
No, that's okay. That's good, yeah. Except Kansas City Chiefs, so he's going to be backing up Mahomes for a year or two, right?
Yep.
But he was signed by the Chiefs as an undrafted free agent, so he's in the league, and he's from Marshall. No, I was just saying that it's super fun because last year Brian from Ultimate Box Breaks was there with Mitch Trubisky, and whoever had the Bears, even though Trubisky's autograph didn't hit in that box or case, well, when Trubisky pulled a base card, he went ahead and signed it and personalized it for the guy. So, what is that shiny piece of madness?
I know my brother-in-law would know this guy, Derek Nady of the Florida State Seminoles draft pick aspirations autograph numbered to 30.
Numbered to 30. Wow. Is that going in the pile?
I don't know. Was he drafted?
What's his
Let's
name?
find out if he was drafted. Derek Nady, Nnadi. We'll give it away tonight if he was drafted. Primary
Florida
colors.
State, Kansas City Chiefs as well. I don't know if he was drafted, but he's on the Kansas City Chiefs.
Then we will give it away.
All right. Oh, he was drafted. Round 3. 3rd round draft pick, a defensive tackle. Yeah.
Josh
His prospect
Rosen.
grade 5.74 is his chance to become NFL starter. Is that a percentage, or is that on a scale of 1 to 10?
Ronnie Harrison, Arden Key. I really like the look of Elite.
Oh, no, that's pretty high. The highest grade for likelihood to be on a team is 7.45. So whatever the
Okay,
scale
so that's
is,
not bad. Yeah, I
he's
mean,
got a 5.74 chance to become NFL starter according to NFL.com. So
look at the vintage action going on here with Roger Staubach, and then back to back in the same pack, Joe Namath.
Oh, wow.
Oh wait, and then Dick Butkus out of U of I. That's fun.
You said that was numbered to 30 on the Nnadi?
Yes.
Wow. So that's again what I'm talking about, something that seems small today, but who knows?
Steve Ishmael. Steve Ishmael. We'll put this one in a prize pack. Derrick Henry. There's a Baker Mayfield. There's a Josh Rosen. And there's... I can't wait to see this guy play. How great would it be if you guys got to meet him? Because he is an exclusive with Panini. I bet he very well may be at the NFL Premier Rookie event. How great would that
sure
be if you and James got to hang out with him and interact with him? I can't
Saquon
wait for the
Barkley?
show that week. That's going to be a great show. I can't wait to have you guys are both going to be on to talk about it.
You're talking about Barkley, though, right?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Bo
I'm-
Jackson die cut numbered to 10.
Wow.
Wait, no. Oh, what is that? Dang it, it's too shiny. Yeah, it's 10.
Oh, okay.
It's 10.
Hey, that's exciting, though. Who doesn't love Bo Jackson?
We'll give this one away. Hayden Hurst from the Gamecocks.
You're saying the Bo Jackson we will give away.
Nope, Hayden Hurst autograph.
Oh, we're not giving away the Bo Jackson?
Nope.
Hmm. You know how hard it is to change BO into HA?
All right, so that's a look at elite draft picks. So 5 autos, 2 going in the prize pack, 3 given away tonight. Hayden Hurst, Derek Nady, and Chase Litton.
We're getting some complaints that you. Oh, I thought it was Jim Kelly, but apparently it was John Kelly. You skimmed past without saying their name. That's how attentive our viewers are, Rob. That they're seeing every base. They want to hear the names of the guys they collect. But that was a pretty awesome box break. Good job. I'm sure you're happy with that, right?
Absolutely.
If you do want also the entire checklist so you can see every signer from Elite Draft Picks is on gogts.net in both PDF and Excel form.
It should be noted that this Dick Butkus was some type of parallel and aspirations thingamajiggy going on there.
Very cool.
Yeah. All right.
So that was Elite Draft Picks.